Alright guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear sunshade. I have already taken the car apart and I'm going to show you what screws you need to remove in order to remove the rear sunshade, which is located here, and there's a rail there and then a rail on this side. So I'll show you that. So here is the rear sunshade. We have a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, and a screw here. So I'm gonna take those out. That's the plastic pipe that goes and it doesn't connect, but it kind of goes to the main rails with that other black plastic part. It's just to guide the wire for the rear sunshade. Okay, so I took 1, 2, and 3, and then I left this one so it can hold it. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll take it out. The right side, again we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4 right there. Okay, so here I'll be taking the last screw. And I'll remove the other side as well. And that's it. It just comes out as one piece. And I'm gonna remove it, take it outside so you can see what it looks like. Guys, this is the rear sunshade. It's 2 small rails, one there, one here, and it looks like it's one piece, but it's actually 3. 2 rails and the sunshade itself. Be very careful when you take it out, or be very careful when you put it in. You don't want to lose the screws because they do fall out. And then make sure those plastic pipes go into the small holes. I will try to show you how it goes back in. Alright guys, to put it back, you do one side at a time and make sure these pipes, they go into that hole there. And I'm gonna start with the right side, 1 screw, and then 1 screw there, and then I'll put the rest of the screws on both sides and put it back. So that's 1. Like I said, we're gonna do 1 and 1. I have that one in, and the pipe is in there. Let's do the other side. Tighten up all the screws. Everything looking good. We can test it, see if it closes. We're gonna test it, see if it closes. Okay, so it closes fine. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna close it again. Okay, it looks good there. In order to replace the rear sunshade, you do not have to remove the front rails nor the front sunroof. You do have to have it open. If you can, have it all the way open, and it'll come out as one piece. Now I gotta put everything back, so I'll work on that. All right, everything's put back together. It actually takes about a good hour to put everything back together, and then just doing the rails or the rear sunshade with the rails is easier than putting everything back, because everything has to come out, like the rubber, the pillars, all the pillar trims, all the clips here for the sun visors. That comes, you don't take it completely out. It's just you just loosen it up, take all those clips, the handles, front and back, more clips on the back for the SRS. Yep. So here it is. It's still working after I took it apart, and it didn't need to be. It doesn't need a relearning, because I didn't disconnect the motor. The motor that's behind that console there, and alignment looks good. I'm gonna be checking it again just to make sure, but there it is. So like I say, if you have wind noise after replacing the rails, you also have to loosen all the screws for the rails on that side, and then on this side here, once you just loosen them, you just push everything forward and tighten up the screws, and that should help you eliminate the noise. So when you're pushing, you can hold and push and tighten up the screws. There's one here, one here, And there's two up front that you need to tighten up. There and there. So do that for both sides. I have already tightened up the screws while pushing the whole sunroof mechanism forward. We're gonna see how it closes. It may need some adjustment, so we'll find out. It looks good.